everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Teacher. I'm Liya, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Hey guys, I'm Jack. How are you today, Liya? You look a little sleepy. Late night studying again?
Yes, I was helping my cousin prepare for the IELTS exam. He was so nervous.
Ah, IELTS. I remember those days. Many students feel the same. Nervous, excited, and sometimes confused.
Exactly. So today we'll talk about IELTS and English exam tips, how to stay calm, and how to do your best.
That's a great topic. So many people want to study or work abroad, and IELTS is a big step.
Yes, but don't worry. In this video, we'll share some simple and effective tips to help you prepare.
And remember, these tips are not only for IELTS. You can use them for any English test.
Exactly. So let's start with our first tip.
All right. Tip number 1. Understand the test format.
What do you mean by that?
Well, before the test, you should know what to expect. For example, IELTS has 4 parts: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If you know the structure, you won't be surprised during the exam.
Ah, like knowing the rules before playing a game.
Exactly. Good example.
Okay, what's the second tip?
Tip number 2. Practice every day, but in small steps. Don't study for 5 hours one day and nothing the next. Instead, study a little bit every day. Maybe 30 minutes for reading, 20 minutes for speaking.
That's smart. Consistency is better than cramming.
Right? Slow and steady wins the race.
What about the speaking test? Many students are afraid to talk to the examiner.
Good question. Tip number 3. Speak naturally, not perfectly. Don't try to remember big words or long sentences. It's better to speak clearly and show confidence.
So even if you make a small mistake, it's okay.
Absolutely. The examiner wants to hear communication, not perfection.
All right, what's next?
Tip number 4. Learn common question types. For example, in writing task 2, you often see questions like, do you agree or disagree? Or discuss both views. If you know these patterns, it's easier to plan your answer.
That makes sense. It's like practicing the same types of puzzles before a big test.
Exactly.
And finally?
Tip number 5. Relax before the test. Don't study all night. Get good sleep, eat a healthy breakfast, and take deep breaths.
Yes, a calm mind works better than a tired one.
Absolutely. Remember, confidence is your best tool.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
I will practice English a little every day.
I will speak naturally, not perfectly.
I will stay calm and confident during my exam.
Great job. Say these sentences out loud every morning. They'll help you stay positive.
So, friends, remember these 5 tips. Know the test, practice daily, speak naturally, learn question types, and relax.
You can do it. Believe in yourself, and English will become your friend.
Thanks for watching Mr. English Teacher.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's studying for IELTS.
We'll see you next time with another fun English lesson.
Bye-bye and good luck.